Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your device is unlocked and you know which keyboard app you use. This speeds choices later. Open Settings directly from the app drawer or swipe down and tap the gear icon. Once there, use the top search box and enter keywords like keyboard or language. This takes you straight to input options, so you don't dig through menus. Doing this first saves time and prevents accidental changes to unrelated system settings. Once in Input Settings, tap System or General Management, then Languages and Input. Different manufacturers place it slightly differently, so follow the label. Next, choose On-Screen Keyboard to view installed keyboards and confirm which one is set as default. This is important because changing a non-default app won't affect your typing. Now tap the specific keyboard app name to open its detailed settings, where you can customize layout, themes, autocorrect, and permissions to match how you type and protect your privacy. Finally, change the settings you need: layout, autocorrect strength, gesture typing, voice input, and visual theme, because each option affects speed and accuracy. Once done, open a text field to test changes and make quick adjustments. If you need to swap keyboards, pull down the notification bar and tap Keyboard or Input method. If the keyboard is missing or not responding, make sure it's enabled in Installed Apps and Permissions, or reinstall the keyboard app from the Play Store to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.